welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to share with you the recipe of making a Play-Doh. I've tried many recipes, but this is one of the best. With the right recipe, the playing of Play-Doh can be fun and with the minimal mess. Do you know what are the benefits of playing with Play-Doh? First, it develops a fine motor skill. Fine motor skill is the ability to make movement using our small muscles in our hands and our wrists. It also helps in children's hands to develop the strength and the control needed, and further improves their pre-writing skill. Besides, it also develops hand-eye coordination and helps them to stay focused. It encourages imagination and creativity. Playing with Play-Doh also improves their social skills as they interact and share with other kids. Playing with Play-Doh also has a calming and soothing effect of reducing anxiety and stress of the children. It also reduces screen time and get them to physical play. So what are we waiting for? Let's go and make Play-Doh now. Prepare the ingredients as follows. First, pour in the flour. Then, add in the cream of tartar. Add the refined salt and add the cooking oil. Mix it all together. Prepare half cup of hot boiling water and add in slowly. Whisk it using a metal spoon until it becomes like a ball. Then knead it until it is smooth. Divide the dough into balls depending on how many colors you would like to make. For this, we are making 6 colors, that's why we are separating it into 6 portions. Flatten the dough and then make a small groove. Add in 4 to 5 drops of gel coloring and then knead it until all the colors are homogeneously mixed together. You may also add in more drops of gel coloring if you wish to have a more vibrant color. Then you are ready to play. Store the Play-Doh in an airtight bag or a container when it's not used to maintain its softness. With proper storage, it can be kept for about 3 months. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope you have an enjoyable playtime with your child today, and I'll see you again in next video. Bye!